Hello traders and welcome to my trading channel. In today's video, we're going to be discussing market order. So what exactly is a market order? It is a type of trade that is executed at the best available price in the market. When you place a market order, you are telling your broker or trading platform to buy or sell a certain quantity of security as soon as possible, without specifying a specific price. Okay, now that you have an idea of what it is, let's execute it. As you can see, this is a graph of the current price of Bitcoin. And in this account, I have 14 USDT. So if I decided to buy $12 worth of Bitcoin, I will just write $12 here and select buy Bitcoin. And the trade is done. Now, if we look in the order history, we bought this much Bitcoin 0.0000072 at wherever price was at the second I pressed the buy Bitcoin button here. The $12 I bought are here. Okay, now market orders have some key advantages. For one, as you saw, they are usually very fast to execute. Because they are filled at the best available price, you can get in or out of a trade as soon as possible, which can be useful in certain situations. On the other hand, there are also some potential drawbacks to using market orders. It is possible you end up paying more or receiving less than you expected due to slippage, which can occur in times of high volatility or liquidity. For example, here in this Bitcoin graph, as you can see, the gap in this area, if you send a market order here in this price level, there's a chance that your order will be taken at this price level or at this price level. For this reason, it's important for you to understand the pros and cons of using this type of order so that you can decide whether market orders are the right choice for you and your trading strategy. It's important to note that market orders are just one of the several types of orders that you can use when trading. Other options include limit orders and stop limit orders, which I will make a video of them soon. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments in the section below.